Back at you again. I got my engine block. About to start working on it. Blow all the dust off of it. It's been hot tank. Poured it 40 over. Got new cam bearing. Installing the rear main seal. This little slot right there. This piece, it goes on the inside. Like that. Just like that. The crank is cut 10-10. Bearings are 10-10. To your right, you see that 0-10. Those are the main bearings. Got the main bearings installed with the rear main seal. I got my crank in. Put just a little silicone on the ends of the rear main seal. Okay, got my crank in. Next, I'll be torquing. I'll let you know the torque specs.